Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Make sure you're signed into Windows 11 with an account that has standard privileges. Once ready, press the Windows key or click the Start button to reveal the search field. Type CMD or Command Prompt. Windows will show matching results as you type. This first step locates the application quickly so you don't navigate menus. If you prefer keyboard workflow, tap Windows, type CMD. Then pause to let results populate before moving on to select the app. Now decide whether you need elevated rights. If you plan system tasks, right-click the command prompt result and choose Run as administrator. This grants elevated privileges and prompts for consent. Once done, confirm the user account control dialog so the elevated window opens. If you only need basic commands, simply press Enter or click the app to open a normal command prompt. Make sure you note the window title, Administrator, Command Prompt, so you know which privilege you're in the final stage. Enter commands and press Enter to run them. Use CD to change directories and dir to list files. When finished, type Exit or click the X to close the window safely. If command prompt won't open, try rebuilding the search index, check for pending updates, or open Windows Terminal or PowerShell as a fallback. Many commands work there too. Make sure to run as administrator when a command fails due to permissions, since that often resolves access-related errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.